Hi, how you doing? Not going to keep you long today. We're going to make some tabbouleh, or tabbouleh as some people call it. Let's just check out what we've got here. So what I've got here is some couscous or bulgur. What I've done with that, it comes dried. You just put it into a bowl, put some boiling water on it, just cover it just slightly, put a lid on it, like a plate or something. Just leave it for like 4 or 5 minutes. It's done. It will soak up all the water and it comes out really light and fluffy. Now there are different grades of this, you know, some of it is very coarse, some of it is very thin. This is kind of a fairly light one. Okay, parsley. I've got flat leaf parsley, which I've chopped. I've got fresh mint. I've got chopped tomatoes. I've got equal parts of olive oil and lemon juice, and I've got onion. Now, regarding quantities, you can really play around with this. Some people like it heavy with the bulgur. Some people like it heavy with the parsley. Up to you. Personally, I like a lot of mint in my one. But yeah, let's get it together. It's super, super easy. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so absolutely nothing to it here. So, not large mixing bowl. And as you can see, I've got my parsley in there, my tomatoes and my onions. I'm now going to drop in my mint. And like I say, I like a lot of mint in my one, fresh mint. Some people don't like it so much. We're going to get some black pepper in there. And some salt. I'm just going to give this a quick mix to see what it looks like. And like I say, some people just like a little bit of the bulgur or the couscous in there, and some people like it the other way around, you know, like, so there'll be way more bulgur or couscous than parsley, and some people do it completely the other way around with just a little bit in. That looks great, doesn't it? Also, some people will put a little bit of garlic in here. Let's get in our olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil and some lemon juice. Like I said, I'm going a 50-50 mix. And then let's get in of our couscous or bulgur. Let's mix that in, see what that looks like. And that's about right for me. I like it fairly heavy with the parsley. Now some people will add a few other bits in here. There's lots of ways of making this, but this is kind of how I like it. That is super easy, isn't it? So what I've done is I've used 2 large bunches of parsley and half a cup of cooked bulgur or couscous. Wonderful. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.